Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? I got you. Mommy's got you. It's all right.
You gotta lay it down.
You're a jerk. You're ruining my plan.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Excuse you. That is so rude. No, I do not want to play. I don't want to play. I told you this.
You here? All right, y'all ready?
Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Llama, 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 llama.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Bang! Oh no, she's dead.